Hi, I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum, and we're going to have a video today about the new Cordless R65 vacuum cleaner from Riccar. We're going to do an unboxing video, and if you watch to the end, I got a special discount code for you. Here we have our R65 box. Doesn't appear I even need a knife to open this. So this is how we just got them in, airmailed the other day. We'll undo the clips in the front, and we get to see all the goodies. User manual. And we got here, this appears to be a floor head. Nice brush. Ooh, that's nice. We have a quick release clean out. So this is our floor tool for doing hard floors or carpet. LED headlights, that's nice. It is smoked, but it is see-through, so you can see if anything's tangled up in there. Right front and center, we got the power unit. Looks like the power unit is sitting on something. We got two bags here, so it looks like it's part of the stand. One really neat thing about this is it comes with the stand right in the box. And we'll show you the power unit in detail in another video. But here's the unit. Looks like we're going to find the battery somewhere else. Very nice. Again, it is see-through, but it is gives it that nice dark look. It's part of the stand. Charger, very important. This is round. This should be the suction wand. Got the metal pins in it to take power down to the head. A nice long crevice tool here, as well as you need it even longer. Looks like we have a dusting brush, combination upholstery tool. But wait, there's more. This is like level 2. Here's our battery we were looking for here. Your battery charge indicators. Just clip it here. Nice, we got some nice charge on there. Some settings and features we'll cover in another video. This oval piece, this is part of the stand. I'm going to put it with the stand stuff over there. More tools. Wow. They spared no expense. We got a nice dusting brush with upholstery lint pickers. Lots of plastic bags. I like little bags for parts. Another fluffy upholstery tool. That's nice. And oh, this one is a swivel for multi-angled brush. Looks like this will clip onto the stand to hold some of these tools. So I'm going to put it by my stand. And then level 3. So it looks like we level up to level 3. Go down to the basement and oh look, the stand. This is a charging stand. There is another stand alternatively that can add a second battery charger, which is available as a separate purchase with this item. And that's where we plug in. The stand is what charges the machine. Now we're going to build the stand. And how do we do that? This might tell us, but that would be no fun. So instead, I noticed we have some screws. Some power pins in there. Interesting. 2 screws. So next, I'm going to get this part of the stand. Looks the same on both ends. Is there a top or a bottom? We'll find out. Looks like we have a screw hole here and a screw hole here and here. They look symmetrical. So I'm going to guess it doesn't matter. We're going to wiggle this a little bit. We got to find the screw hole in there. And, you know, go easy, use a hand screwdriver, or if you're using a powered screwdriver, make sure the torque is not mile high. And, you know, just enough to hold it in there. Next, we'll put the top on. Here's the top. There's a screw hole. There's a screw hole. Notice the part of the base that sticks out is opposite the direction that the hand vac will hang. These are machine thread, so there's a lot of turning. All right, that seems pretty good. When we plug it into charge, we will put our charging port here. All right, so we got our machine, we got our battery, we have our wand, we have our head, and then this just lays on here to charge, like so. Tool holder, looks like it clips onto here. This seems to be the same on both sides. I noticed this is bigger on one end and smaller on the other. I don't think it matters which way you plug it in, from the back or the front. All right, now we're gonna, and I hear that nice click. All these attachments have a nice release button. So they're all gonna click into place. Then you just pull it out and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the unboxing, aka assembly video for the new Riccar R65 cordless sweeper. Go check it out at your local dealer. Check it out at one of our stores in North Canton and Worcester, Ohio, or our website. For making it to the end of the video, we have a coupon code on our website for this item. The code is Trade-In. You pop that in for a discount, along with send us an old picture of the vacuum this is replacing. We'll make a video on that later. But basically, you're going to do a virtual trade-in sale on this. The details will be down in the comments. If you have any questions about this, or you want to see anything in future videos, just make a comment. I do answer those, and we'll get it out to you. Thank you.